Hi everyone, what's up? Joshua here from Alternative Brewing, and today we're taking a look at the Hario Drip-Assist. Now this is a collaborative effort with Hario working alongside a former world barista champion, Pete Licata. The Hario Drip-Assist will help you in making a pour over coffee, where the skill of having a controlled, steady flow of water, along with the accuracy and management of the turbulence that this creates in the bed of coffee, really does impact the extraction and the quality of your end cup of coffee. So imagine condensing all of those tricky parameters down to, am I going to be pouring into the inside channel or am I going to be pouring to the outside channel? And that's as easy as it is with the Hario Drip-Assist. Now, there are other obvious benefits that we're going to take a look at now, but speaking of easy things to do, smashing that like button and hitting the subscribe button is a really easy thing to do, but the butterfly effect of it can make a huge difference to our channel and we'd really appreciate it. So take a moment to do that and we'll jump in and start brewing some coffee. The great news is with the Hario Drip-Assist, it will fit many pour over drippers, mostly of the 2 to 4 cup size, but I also found it fitted some of the smaller 1 cup drippers I had, so I wouldn't rule these out either. Now, one more point I would like to make before we begin brewing is that I'll be using this everyday regular kettle to brew with, and the Hario Drip-Assist, this is still going to allow me to brew a championship cup of pour over coffee, regardless or not of whether I own a Gooseneck kettle, which is usually a significant investment of brewing gear, and it could honestly be that barrier to you brewing a great cup of pour over coffee. The Hario Drip-Assist is very affordable, and it also comes in this package you see here with the Hario 2-cup plastic V60. So with that, all we need is coffee and water. So begin your pour over like any other, using a standard brew ratio of 1 to 16.5. Grind your beans to a medium grind, and then fold the filter and give it a quick rinse to remove any papery taste, as well as getting that filter to stick to the sides of the dripper. Next, add your grounds into the dripper and then give it a little bit of a shake to settle the grounds. From here, you can place the Hario Drip-Assist on top of your brewer. Now there are 2 channels that you see within the Drip-Assist, one focusing the water into the middle and then the other around the outside. And each of these channels offers a different flow rate of water into your bed of coffee. The inside has a maximum flow rate of around 8.5 mils a second, and then the outside 3.5. Using the middle channel to bloom your coffee gets an even and quick saturation of the bed, and an appropriate bloom here, if you're using scales, is about twice as much water in grams as coffee used. Using the Drip-Assist will also allow you to spin your brewer at the end of the bloom if that's something that you do. So with the bloom rest now over, start pouring into the outer circle, and the distribution of water is now more even across the whole bed of coffee and turbulence will be decreased. You do occasionally want to be adding a little bit more water into the center channel to offer a balance for an even extraction, but then keep adding water to the outer circle slowly until you reach that final amount, and then let it brew through the dripper and you'll be done. Now, you do want to give the Hario Drip-Assist a quick rinse under some water, but honestly no more than you would do with the brewer alike. But that's it. A simple and reliable way to make championship pour over coffee, where the consistency of flow rates, turbulence, and then the accuracy of using a Gooseneck kettle is all done for you with the Hario Drip-Assist. So if you have any further questions on this product, add them in the comment section down below and we'll get straight back to you. Thanks for watching to the end of this video, and we'll see you in the next one.